Like we promised, so there's a new launch that we did. It is the Aquarius Desktop application. We launched it alongside Aquarius V2. So, like we said, we will demonstrate Aquarius alongside the entire presentation. So, what's unique about the app? It's the fact that if you are using any application, let's say a PowerPoint or any other application, you would not have to switch to a different screen or a different web browser just to make use of Aquarius. All you have to do is stay on the same screen and Aquarius is right there for you. You can easily start using it whenever you want. So let's jump into showing you what I mean by that. So I'll go here, and as you can see, I've signed into Aquarius application. So on a web browser, you would see something similar. So if you're if you're acting as a presenter, you would just get something similar. And what you can do is actually click on these three dots and click on Open in App. So what this will do is, obviously, if you have installed Aquarius Desktop application, it will ask you to open that, and I click that, and now it opens the Aquarius Desktop application. So what this means, now this is a completely separate application and you don't have to worry about the web browser anymore. First thing. Second thing that will immediately jump out to you guys is the user interface and the user experience is same whether you are using the application or if you are using the browser. What that helps with is you would not have to learn anything new if you are already used to using the web application. So today is March 5th, so 5:30 session, so I'll go into that. Here you can see I've defined some questions. We'll get into that later on. But the new thing that you will see here is this icon which says Pin App. So once you click on the Pin App, Aquarius, the entire Aquarius is now shrunk down to a small icon on the bottom right of screen. And the speciality of this icon is this icon remains on top of anything you use. So if, for example, we go back to the presentation, the icon is still on top, and if you want to use Aquarius, all you have to do is click here on the icon and it expands, and you can use Aquarius the same way that you have been using. So in a sense, Aquarius is right there when you need it. So at this point, I would like and encourage everyone to actually ask me any queries that you might have, and we'll see in a minute how the queries show up once you ask them. So meanwhile, we can continue here on the application, on the presentation.